Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anthony, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video from Lord of the Rings. This is at Barnes & Noble, and I actually have two of these. They said limit to two, so I'm going to assume that it's probably the same pops in each one, but I don't know. So I went ahead and bought both, or two boxes, because I wasn't really sure. And then this one is out today as well. This is Batman from the Jim Lee collection, blah, blah, blah. And so here you get Batman t-shirt, and you get, I believe it's a black and white version of the Batman Jim Lee. So you get a t-shirt, and you get the Jim Lee. Now, this one, I got it from... I'm trying to think, there's so many stores. I got this one from ThinkGeek, and the price I paid was pretty good on it. So these were $21 on sale, and this one was marked as $35, 35 even. When they rung it up, it only rang up as $10. I don't know if that was a mistake in the system or what happened, but this was the last box, and they happen to have my size, which is large t-shirt. So when I saw $10, I was like, oh my god, I wish they had more of these. I would probably go buy another 5, right? But this is going to be really cool. So I want to get started. I want to do Lord of the Rings. These are really cool. I don't know what's in here. Well, it says 2 Funko Pops. Includes 2 exclusive pop figures and 1 mystery minifigure. So again, I'm going to assume it's the same pop in each one, but I wasn't sure, so I bought 2. I said, why not? I don't think they're going to make different characters, but I believe there's like a transparent golem, and then there's some other one that's a Barnes & Noble exclusive. I forget who, but we'll see. So right off the bat, when you open it up, you get the mystery mini. So don't know who this is going to be, so I want to go ahead. Let's see if it's a common one, meaning let's see if it's one that's exclusive to the box, or it's just a random one of these. I have no clue, so we're about to find out. And I hate to say, but these are not really, this mystery mini set's not worth a lot of money. Even the Barnes & Noble exclusives don't have a lot of value to them. And I have quite a few of them, but disappointed that they're not worth that much, at least for the most part. I just got back from work, guys, so I wanted to hurry up and make this video for you because I'm exhausted. It's been a long last couple days, and yeah, I need to get to bed early tonight. So, nothing special. I already have him. Matter of fact, I can't even think of the character's name right now. I'm so tired, to be honest with you. But it's a very common one. Nothing special. I'm looking at 3 of them that I already have. So, can't remember his name, but it doesn't matter. It's nothing special. It's just one that you could find outside of this box. Okay, so it was the 2 that I thought it was going to be. I just hope the box is in good condition. Matter of fact, I'm okay with ripping this box, just because I want to make sure these things come out good, and I'm not going to risk damaging the Funko Pop box, because they're in there pretty darn tight, and so I want to minimize the risk of damaging a pop. So I'd rather damage the box, which I did. So we have, do I already have this one? I could have sworn this is a common, isn't this one already out? I could be wrong, but there is Invisible Gollum. I could have sworn I have him. Huh. Well, there he is. I'm going to have to double check, but I could swear I have him. Or maybe, who else was invisible? I'm not sure. And then we have, this one is really cool. This is Galadriel, and she looks really cool. This is the big gem out of the box. This one is definitely the gem from the box. That one I do not have. And I'm looking to see if I have Gollum on my wall and where I would keep him. And I don't see him, but I don't know. Unless they did another invisible one. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Disappointed that the Mystery Mini is nothing new. They didn't do anything exciting for the Mystery Mini. So you're really just paying 20 bucks for... I mean, it's a good price, but I believe this one is a common. I believe you can get this one, and I wish... Okay, I'm looking at him right now. Is he $5.35? Yep. So I already have this one. So this one was already available at Barnes & Noble. So I already have this one. Nothing cool about that one because I already have it. And then this one is the only new Funko Pop in the box. So I'm going to add a second one to my collection, but I already have these two, and I already have Homeboy right here. So I'm just going to call him Homeboy. So I already know, based on what I've seen on Instagram and based on a couple people that I know that already bought these are exact same ones that they got in their box. So I'm going to keep this one sealed because I know it's exactly the same with what I got here. There's no point in opening this one. So I'm going to hold on to that one for now. And possibly, because you know me, possibly do a giveaway on it. Possibly. Alright, so overall, I'm going to say that box was a, if I had to give it a 10, you know, a 10 rating, 10 being the best, a 5. Honestly. Because you got a duplicate Gollum, which you can buy in stores, and you got a duplicate Mini, nothing new. This is the only new character that you couldn't get. So you only got one new Funko Pop. So technically, I paid $21 for her. If that's the way you want to look at it. So that's not a good deal. Unless she ends up being worth more money in the future, but I don't feel like it's a good deal. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Batman one. Like I said, the other box is going to be the same characters. So, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't know if I'm going to sell it, if I'm going to hold on to it. I don't know yet. We'll see. I can tell you that they didn't have many boxes there, so, you know, so they might be kind of hard to find. But anyways, here we go. This is the Jim Lee Batman. The same, oh man, the box looks, I'm going to have to look, but the top of the box looks like it could be damaged. So we got a cool Batman shirt. So this one I'm really excited about because obviously Batman is my favorite. And so we got a cool Batman t-shirt. That looks pretty cool. So cool Batman t-shirt, which I'm definitely stoked about. That's pretty awesome. And then, well, he's not too bad. Just the top of the box is a little puffy, but I think if I put some Funko Pops on it, it could squish it down a little bit and kind of flatten it out. But here we go. Everything else is in great shape. I don't see any dents, any creases, any damage to the box except for just the top portion. You know, that's how it sits. But I think if I can put something heavy on it, not heavy where it's going to crush it, but to kind of like just get it used to folding down, then I should be okay. But there he is. This is the black and white version of Batman, GameStop exclusive, which the blue version of him, the original color version, is also GameStop exclusive. So I picked this up at ThinkGeek. Again, I only paid 10 bucks. I don't know if that was a mistake or if it was just for Black Friday, but to get, and it said $35 on the price tag. Not on the box, but on the tag on the shelf. So I ended up paying $10 for this Funko Pop and the t-shirt, that box. So again, they only had one left, and I was prepared to pay $35 because I really love collecting these Jim Lee Hush series. I already have the color version. I have the color Joker, and now we got the black and white Batman. And then don't forget, you should still be able to order Flash, which is by Jim Lee, and Aquaman, which is by Jim Lee as well. I pre-ordered Flash, so can't wait for him to come in. Yeah, this is really cool. So, and I believe the Flash drops in like 3 or 4 days. So I'm excited when that one drops because it's already pre-ordered. So there we go. That wraps up the video, guys. I just wanted to show you the 2 unboxings. I did pick up a lot of Funko Pops today. A lot. Actually, not just today, but today and yesterday. I picked up a lot of new Funko Pops. Pops that I've already done videos on saying, hey, these Pops are coming soon. And guess what? They're in stores now. So that'll be my next video. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Black Friday, Black Friday has been very busy for me at work. And so, yeah, it's been super hectic. Been getting home late, been going to work very early, working about 14-hour shifts, and then coming home, still trying to jump on live streams because I definitely want to support everybody. And then of course still finding time to go shopping, and then still finding time to do these videos. So I'm a little tired. I'm gonna definitely go to bed early tonight, get a good night's sleep. Saturday is tomorrow, so I definitely will be working from home. So which means I'll be able to do a couple videos, and I can show you some other stuff that I found over the last couple days. Really cool stuff I think you guys are going to enjoy. So just to let you know what's out in stores. But yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff that I found and I ended up picking up that I definitely want to share with you guys. So thank you for the love and the support that you guys have always given me. I do appreciate it so much. It's really awesome to be in this community, and that's why even though I'm tired and I come home from work, I'm still on the grind. I'm still making these videos. I'm working long days, but I still make time to do these videos because I want to give you guys great content, do unboxings, let you guys know what's coming out, and let you know what's in stores, and then what's coming out in stores later on. So thanks for being a part of this channel. Thanks for being a part of this journey with me. It means the world to me. I'm trying to get to 750, and once I'm at 750 subscribers, then I need to get to 800 and 850, then 900, then 950, then 1,000, and then just keep going, from there. So I'm on the grind, doing what I gotta do, just hustling and grinding every day. That's part of my DNA. It's in my blood to do that. So and I love doing this for you guys because I really get excited when you guys leave awesome comments and you let me know which ones are your favorites, which ones you're most excited to get. And a lot of you guys really do put out there, wow, thank you for the update. I'm glad I know these Pops are coming out. And that's really what this channel was really made. The whole reason for making this channel was to let collectors know, whether you're a new collector or an old collector, just to let you know what's coming and what's going to come out in stores, which exclusives are available, and where to get them, and around what day, what month they're coming out, so you can definitely be prepared for that. So that was really the main purpose of this channel, because they didn't have something like this 9 years ago when I was collecting. There was no resource for me to look up and see, where something was dropping, how many Funko Pops are going to be in the series. You really never knew which exclusives were in that series. Where can you find all the exclusives? That's what this channel is about. It's not only about doing giveaways and giving back to the community, giving back to the subscribers that take the time out of their day to watch my videos, but really the whole purpose of making this channel was to bring information and news to you guys, to let you know what's coming out and where to get them, because I think that's very valuable information that I didn't have 9 years ago. And so I definitely want to take my 9 years of experience collecting, and I want to share that with you guys, and definitely use all the insight information I have to let you guys know what's coming. And then of course doing unboxing videos are awesome, mystery minis and all that stuff. So this channel has grown because of you guys, and I just want to say thank you for your support. I really do appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. It means a lot to my family. So thank you for everything, And I'll see you guys soon on the next video. I'm going to go to bed, get a good night's sleep, and then I'll show you tomorrow, Saturday, I'll show you what Funko Pops I got. Do not forget, very important, hopefully it's already 15 minutes into the video. I didn't want it to be this long, but I always like to say thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. If you're watching me on your television and you can't subscribe on your television, just grab your phone. Go to YouTube, log into your account, type in Forever Freaky Funko, and hit that subscription. Just sub. It's free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a thing. Hit that hit that notification bell if you want alerts whenever I drop a video or whenever I go live. Like this Sunday, I am going live, and definitely subscribe. I know there's a lot of channels that I used to watch, and I still watch to this day, and I would always watch them on my television, but there's no way to subscribe on your television, right? So grab a phone, grab your tablet, grab a computer, log on there. Support the people that bring you great content. If you like what I'm bringing you, subscribe. If you don't like what I'm bringing you, don't subscribe. It's all up to you. You know, if this isn't for you, then don't subscribe. But if it's content that you enjoy and information that you definitely want, and then also when stuff drops in stores, I show you what's available. If that's what you're looking for in a Funko Pop channel, then definitely subscribe and support me. Support anybody out there that's doing any type of channel that is interesting to you, that brings content to you that you really enjoy. So that's all I can really say about that. And I do appreciate those that do subscribe, and I give plenty of giveaways to give back to my subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, you have no idea what you're missing. Well, maybe you do. Maybe you've seen a lot of the giveaways and you're just not a part of it because you haven't subscribed. You got to be a subscriber to win. I have a new giveaway. I am announcing it live on Sunday, 12 o'clock Central Time. 12 o'clock Sunday. Yes, football will be on. My Bears already played on Thanksgiving and they won, so I'm okay with that. But 12 o'clock, I'll let you know a little bit more tomorrow about the importance of being on there, okay? Because that live stream at 12 o'clock noon on Sunday is going to be the live stream where you have to be on the live stream if you want to be entered to win the next cash prize. If you're not on the live stream, you are not entered at all. So if you don't join the live stream, that's fine, but you're totally exempt from winning any of the cash prizes that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to even have an opportunity, you got to join that live stream Sunday, this coming Sunday. Today's Friday night, in 2 days, Sunday at 12 noon Central Time in the United States. And I'll be going live and I'll be announcing just the contest, but you have to be live in order to participate, in order to enter the contest, which is enter the drawing. So very important. I'll let you guys know a little bit more about that tomorrow, but please have a great night. Enjoy your Friday. Like I said, I'm going to get changed, take a shower, hit the sack, get plenty of sleep tonight. I'm a little bit tired, burned out from all the work, but definitely excited and definitely happy to bring you all this content. So please be kind to one another, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.